Hello, hi. So today I'm gonna go ahead and start off with an eyeshadow base. You definitely need to get your hands on this eyeshadow base because it makes your eyeshadows pop. I'll list it down below for you guys, and you can use Prettygrace for some money off. So I'm gonna start off applying that eyeshadow base from Maccosmetics, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with this brush. And today's look is another blue look, just because I kind of really like blue, especially for like winter, kind of Christmassy type of thing. I don't know. I'll probably do some red looks, but I'm kind of running out of time because we still have like what, 4 more days until Christmas, 3 more days until Christmas. So yeah, anyways, these eyeshadows that I'm using, these are, that one I have no idea, but it's a blue shadow from I don't know what palette. But jeez, excuse you. So anyways, I'm going to use this blue shadow, and I'm going to apply this right onto my crease, blending that to the sides and upwards just to kind of make it a little dramatic. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and pack that color in. Also, don't forget to follow me on my other social medias. I am active on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. Not really on Twitter, but I do like whatever. So definitely check me out. I'll list all my social medias down below. I do upload all my makeup tutorials on there. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. Then I'm going to go with the same Maccosmetics eyeshadow base, and we're going to go ahead and cut the crease. I know there's an easier way to do this. I'm still old school. I'm still using the old methods. I mean, you can use whatever works for you, but you know, whatever. This is kind of beginner friendly type, just to kind of not do it too crazy, but yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the crease, and I just kind of like to make sure that the line is really nice and sharp. Then I'm using this blue eyeshadow from Makeup Geek. I have no idea if they still have these in stock because they're no longer in business, but definitely check them out, see if they still have any, because I know they still have some like shadows and brushes in there. So yeah. Then I'm going with this baby blue shadow. This is also from Makeup Geek, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this right onto the lid where I cut the crease. This kind of reminds me of like Jack Frost type vibes. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and use this glitter from Eye Candy. It does not have a name. Like I said, all these glitters that I have, I got them when they didn't put labels on their glitters. So yeah. And to apply the glitter, I'm using actually lip gloss because it's easy to apply. I mean, you know. Then I'm going to go ahead and use these lashes from Kiss. They are called Diva. So while the glue is getting tacky, I'm going to go ahead and apply that blue shadow right into the outer corner of my bottom lash line. And I'm going to do both eyes. Then I'm going to go with that same turquoise color shimmery that I used on my lid. I'm going to use it in the inner corner just to kind of finish the look a little bit. I was like, what the hell? Why did it? Like, I felt like I had like something on the brush. That's why I did that face. But yeah, anyways. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in just to sure. And then I'm going to go with this dark blue shadow from Makeup Geek as well. And just kind of apply that into the outer corner just to kind of deepen the color up a little bit. I believe all these shadows are from Makeup Geek. I will try to list all of them down below for you guys, if you guys are interested. Hopefully she still has them and you guys can definitely purchase them. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara after I apply my lash. I didn't realize the lash did not glue correctly, but we're going to go ahead and ignore that, okay? Okay. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead. And then I'm going to go with this ColourPop shadow palette. And I'm going to use that white shimmery shade just to apply it to the inner corners of the eyes. Yes, ma'am. So then I'm going to go with this Morphe lip liner. I will list the name down below for you guys. And then I'm going to go with a MAC lipstick. I will also list it down below. And just to give me that beautiful nude lip. Yes, ma'am. That's a beautiful pencil. I really like it. Especially for nude colors. Works out. So, yeah. So then after that, I'm going to go ahead and apply some setting spray to my face just to set everything. And then, I believe that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.